What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Ramamba from the Garten of Banban. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, we're going to go all the way around towards the bottom and then bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now from the inside of the eyes, I'm going to work our way down towards the nose. So let's start on the left, bend this in and then down. Do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to flare out the nostrils. Going back to the left side, we're going to go out and then in like a bracket. And we'll bend this in and then down towards the center point. I'm just going to round out the bottom, go up and then out. Let's go underneath the left eye. We're going to add a fold, coming in and then down towards the side of the nose. Let's move down, draw the top of the mouth. We're going to come in, come down underneath the nose, round this out, go up and then back out. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the mouth. Starting back on the left, come in and then down, round out the mouth. Now we're going to go up towards the right and then bend that out. Now let's go back underneath the eye. We're going to add a curl going around the corner of the mouth and bend that in on both sides. Now I want to trace the mouth coming down towards the chin, go around the mouth and then back up towards the right. Let's add those three whiskers across the bottom. We're going to start with the middle one, coming down and in towards the middle and then back up. Let's add two more, curling these out, coming down and out, and then taper that back up. Now I'm going to go back up to the cheeks and wrap the brow around the eyes. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up, go around the eye, in, and then down. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going around the eye, going down the side, and then in. Now we're going to go back and draw in the teeth. Let's start with the top row, starting on the ends. Draw a straight line coming down. Go back to the left side, curve the teeth, coming down the middle, go across, and then up. Now I'm going to draw the bottom row of teeth, starting back over on the left, coming down across the middle, and then back up. Now I want to go in and separate the teeth. We're going to start right in the middle with a straight line, leave a gap, and just going to work our way out towards the left, and then do the same thing out towards the right. Let's do the same thing across the bottom row of teeth, starting in the middle, and then working our way out. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Let's go back up to the inside of the brow. We're going to add a socket for the horns. We'll start on the left. Bend this in and up. Do the same thing on the right. Close off the center with a slight curve. Now let's place the horns inside. So we're going to start from this point. We're going to curve the horn going up, around, and then down towards the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's round out the tip of the horn. Now the horn gets thicker as you come back in on top of the brow. So we go up, in, and then down. Let's add some texture inside the horns. We're going to start from the brow, bend this up and then in, leave a gap, and just continue out towards the tip of the horn. Let's move down to the side of the brow and draw in the ears. We're going to start on the left, bend this out, and then down. Let's line that up on the right side. Let's round out the tip of the ear, come in, just taper that in towards the side. Now with the head complete, we're going to bring the body coming up and then down towards the right side. So let's start on the inside left horn. We're going to curve this up, bend this down in behind the horn, continue down in towards the ear, and it'll come around and then down towards the body, just bending that in. Let's round out the bottom, coming across. I'm just going to bend that up towards the left side. Let's go all the way back up, draw a straight line coming down to right about there. Now we're going to bend the tail coming across towards the left. So from here, step down, bend this up, and then out, round out the end of the tail. Now I want to bring this back in towards the side of the body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Ramamba from the Garten of Banban. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.